Hi and welcome back to Mr. Data. In this quick tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets to find specific data in a large data set. It's a game changer when you need to search for and retrieve information quickly. So let's dive in. All right here we have a product list with prices and quantities. Let's say we want to find the price of a specific product based on its name. So for example, here we have Apple. We can use the VLOOKUP function, and basically what that's going to look like is we're going to do equal and VLOOKUP, and that's pretty much how you do it. Now you can hit the tab button to populate it. Then it has a formula here: key search, range, index, and is sorted. And we're going to break down what each of these mean. So the first thing is the key search is the value you want to search for. So in this case, it's going to be our product. And then the next one, the range, that's going to be this entire data set right here. So from A to C, and if you had more items in here, you would just do all the columns. And all I did that is I pressed A and then held the shift button down and pressed C, and it selects all the columns. Now the one caveat to using, we'll continue here with the index. That was the next one on our list. That is basically which column do you want to display. So this is column 1, 2, and 3. So it's kind of weird because it have A, B, C listed up here, but whenever you're doing the VLOOKUP, you're going to do 1, 2, and 3 representative of A, B, and C. And then the last item here in the VLOOKUP, let's get that back here. I'm going to tab that. Hold on a second, it's being dumb here. Got to select it here. There we go. Is the is sorted. And basically what the is sorted is it means we want an exact match, not an approximate one. So even though it says is sorted, it's kind of a misnomer because it's like, do we want an exact match or do we want a fuzzy match, if you will? All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to search for Apple. So I'm going to type in Apple, and then we're going to do our range, which I'm going to again select columns A through C. Then we're going to do the index, so we want the price, which is actually column 2. And then the last thing is sorted. We're just going to put false, and just historically, that's always been what's been used. So false. All right, and there we go, $1.50, just like that. Now if we wanted to do orange, we'd just type in orange. Oh, and it gave me an error. Now the reason why it gave me an error is because I looked up orange without actually putting it in quotes, because you got to remember we're looking for a string, and see, once I put it in a string, we can see that the orange is now 1. Now let's say I wanted to look up the quantity. Let's say I was doing more of an inventory system and I wanted to know what the quantity was. Well, then it's real simple. All I have to do is change the 2 to a 3, and it tells me we have a quantity of 200 oranges. So VLOOKUP, again, is a game changer whenever it comes to data. So data lookup and whatnot. So that's pretty much it for this example. It's a really simple, very helpful formula. It can help you search a whole data array in seconds. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.